When your spirit's low and you feel as though your troubles never end. When the going's rough and you've had enough and your heart cries out for a friend. A friend to love and to be loved. A friend to care and to share with. A friend who'll always be there. A friend. What you need's a friend, a beautiful friend, a friend.
Christopher was born with cerebral palsy. He can't talk and he can't walk, but he has a beautiful friend called Tessa who loves him just the way he is. You can help train a beautiful friend like Tessa for someone like Christopher by sending your donation to the address on your screen.
A beautiful friend.